Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I will show you how to copy down or fill down your formulas on Microsoft Office Excel. So first open your Microsoft Excel sheets and follow these simple steps. So now I will just initiate a formula so I can show you how to fill down or fill them down all into this column automatically. So we will initiate our formula with the equal operator because it is the operator or the initiator of formulas. So let's just do a simple formula. So we will do this cell and we will multiply it with this one. So 128 will be multiplied by 10 will be 1200. So to fill down this formula, all you have is to go to the corner of the cell where it contains the formula. So this is my cell that contains the formula. So I'm going to the corner where there is this little green square here and wait until the cursor become a black plus sign, and then I will just click and drag all down my column wherever you have data here. Now I'm finding 0 because nothing multiplied by nothing is 0. So it considers that here is 0 value multiplied by 0 value, it will give us a 0. So whenever I'm going to put for a value, it will change here. So here I have 0, that's why it's still 0. So let's just have 5 for example, and it will automatically have the same formula. Now let's suppose that you want to fix your cell to fill it down so that we don't have a relative fill-in or relative cells. So here whenever I go down you will see G6 and here it will become G7, G8, etc. So let's suppose that my formula I want only to multiply all these values by just 10. So all I have to do is to fix the cell and make it become absolute repair or absolute cell. So I will just add a dollar sign here in between the line and the line in the column and just click OK and fill down the formulas as we did previously. And as you can see, they will all be multiplied by only 10. So we will find here G6 and here it will be G6. Also, this is the E8 multiplied by G6. So this is how we do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.